This is a Nissan Sentra. It starts from 2007 and I believe goes to 2013 maybe. And what I wanted to know is how to take this out. In order for that to get out, the handle has to come off. How do you get the handle out? Well, this is how you do it. You put a knife between the handle and the shiny part and you separate them. Just like that. Take a knife and there's a clip. I partially pulled it out. This is the clip. And once you pull the clip out, magically the handle comes off. Once the handle comes off, you get this off. For those that really need it, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching.